Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I'm super excited to talk about something that's been a total game changer for so many people: high-protein diets. Whether you're a fitness enthusiast or just looking to improve your overall health, this topic is for you. So, first things first, what exactly is a high-protein diet? You might have heard the term thrown around a lot, but let's break it down. Simply put, it's a diet where a larger percentage of your daily calories come from protein-rich foods. This means prioritizing foods that are high in protein content over those that are rich in fats or carbohydrates. Think chicken, fish, eggs, beans, and even those convenient protein shakes and bars. These foods are not only delicious but also packed with the essential nutrients your body needs. But why all the hype? Why is everyone talking about high-protein diets these days? Well, protein is like the MVP of nutrients. It's crucial for so many bodily functions and processes. It's essential for building and repairing muscles, which is super important if you love working out or if you're trying to get more toned. Without enough protein, your muscles can't recover properly after a workout. And guess what? It also helps keep you full longer. This is because protein takes longer to digest compared to carbs, keeping those hunger pangs at bay. That means fewer cravings and less snacking. Imagine not feeling the need to reach for that mid-afternoon snack. Now let's talk about some of the awesome benefits. There are quite a few, so let's dive in. One of the biggest perks is weight management. High-protein diets can be incredibly effective for those looking to shed some pounds. High-protein diets can help you lose weight and keep it off by boosting your metabolism and reducing your appetite. This means you burn more calories even when you're not working out. Plus, they help you retain muscle mass even as you shed those extra pounds. Cool, right? Maintaining muscle mass is crucial for a toned and healthy body. Another benefit is improved muscle recovery. After a tough workout, your muscles need to repair and grow stronger. If you're hitting the gym hard or just leading an active lifestyle, your muscles need protein to recover and grow stronger. This is especially important for athletes and fitness enthusiasts. Think of it as your body's natural repair kit. Protein helps to mend those tiny tears in your muscles caused by intense physical activity. And let's not forget about energy levels. Protein can play a significant role in how energetic you feel throughout the day. Protein can help stabilize your blood sugar levels, which means you won't experience those dreaded energy crashes throughout the day. No more afternoon slumps. You'll feel more energized and ready to tackle whatever comes your way. Whether it's work, exercise, or daily chores, you'll have the stamina to get through it all. All right, what about some easy ways to get more protein in your diet? Let's make it practical. Start your day with a protein-packed breakfast like eggs or a Greek yogurt smoothie. These options are quick, easy, and delicious. For lunch and dinner, focus on lean proteins like chicken, turkey, or fish. These are versatile and can be prepared in so many tasty ways. And don't forget about snacks. Snacks can be a great way to sneak in some extra protein. Keep some nuts, seeds, or a protein bar handy for when you're on the go. These are convenient and can help you stay on track with your protein goals. And remember, it's not just about quantity, but quality too. The source of your protein matters. Opt for whole, minimally processed protein sources whenever you can. This ensures you're getting the best nutrients without any unnecessary additives. So there you have it. High-protein diets are a fantastic way to support your fitness goals, improve your health, and boost your overall well-being. Give it a try, and you might just find it's the game changer you've been looking for. The benefits are numerous and can truly transform your lifestyle. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more health tips. See you next time. Stay healthy and take care.